Hey guys, so Christian and I are actually here in Leesburg, Virginia at the local Leesburg airport here. And something you may not know about us is we actually have a big interest in like airplanes and aviation, and Christian's more into it. He's gonna get his pilot's license here soon and he's working on some stuff. But we were actually kind of invited by Diamond Aircraft Group to come out here, and we set up a time where we could meet and fly their new Diamond DA62 twin engine turbo airplane. And here comes Christian, so we're just gonna be heading in there soon, and should be a pretty nice little flight. The plane is $1.3 million or so it's a lot of money. So it's pretty nice that we'll be able to get a ride in it. But yeah, should be a fun time. But we'll update you once we get in there. Something kind of different, but should be nice. All right, see you in a bit.
Come on up here. Let me try to not have you yell too much. I'll give you kind of a walk around, show you the way it works. Okay, so these are 4-cylinder, 2-liter turbo diesels, Mercedes car engines. There is a gearbox in the front that does RPM reduction. So the prop is normally only turning about 2,000 RPM in cruise. Each engine has its own alternator. It's got which antenna? Wide slope. Wide slope? Yeah. To start the engine,
twin engine, 7-seater, Diamond DA62.
Today you won't. So today you just turn that on, and then you can immediately hit that push button for the starter.
OE, because it's registered in Austria, we learned.
Now, you want to shut an engine down in flight?
Gull wing doors. Pretty big plane. I think he said 48-foot wingspan. Nice day for some flying. Yeah, so that one was like 400,000 or something. This one is about $1 million. So, yep. Planes are expensive. Man. Question is, Porsche 918 or Diamond DA62? Which one would you have?
Oh yeah.
2-liter turbo 4-cylinder Mercedes-Benz engines, very efficient. He said they sip about 15 gallons per hour total for both engines combined, so very efficient.
Because you don't have the weight of the whole rear seating thing. Most people who are buying this are actually leaving out the third row.
What's the useful load on it?
Oh, right now it's 1,600 pound useful load.
Wow.
Hey, I made it.
What do you think, Christian?
How you doing?
Good to see you.
I love
Good
it.
to see you.
I like it.
Yep.
It's awesome.
Here she is.
Very nice interior.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seats. Wow. Ooh.
the headset here. But this leather is the same leather BMW puts in their convertibles, and it's 20 degrees C cooler in the sun, so they don't get hot. It has this thermal infrared.
Oh, that's, you know, maybe I go to the
okay?
gym, it won't be as bad, but
Yeah, you'd fit just fine.
and that's
So
enough.
Diamond DA40.
The rudder
Yep,
pedals are
40.
electric.
Diamond DA40.
Oh, okay.
Single engine.
So the seats are fixed, but the rudder pedals go. The same is true
Guess it's
on
about $400,000 or $500,000 new.
seats. I think they're 26G brush.
Nice looking though.
Protect you in the event.
So this one runs about $9 or $10 million.
Okay, Jeffrey.
Alright, just wrapped up the test flight of the Diamond DA62. What a plane, that was really fantastic, getting to fly around in a brand new plane. Nothing quite like that. And we pulled a bunch of nice maneuvers flying around up there, really tested out some of the features of the airplane, and definitely a great time.
Yep, so he went up, he and our Uncle Andrew went up in the plane, and yeah, it's pretty amazing that we're able to fly in this $1.3 million plane. That was pretty cool. And I stayed on the ground and just walked around the tarmac and stuff, and that's how we saw the Cessna Citation Encore $9 million plane. So that was pretty cool, and we saw the pilots get out and stuff, and it was actually owned by NetJets, so we talked to the pilots about that and the whole program and stuff, and they were really nice, and they've done a lot of flying, and that was pretty interesting. So the whole day was great day. 70, 80, 85 degrees, something like that. Nice day for flying, nice day for going out. So little part of us that you may not have known, we like aviation and flying, so that's pretty cool. So different video, of course, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's a little different from the cars, but maybe we'll toss in one of these videos every once in a while. Had a great day. Hopefully you enjoyed some airplane facts, and we'll see you in the next one. So make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for more. All right, see ya.
See ya.
Saying that it feels right.